Exercise 13.2. Question number 4. Express each of the following as product of prime factors only in exponential form. Now here 108 into 192. So what we need to do? We need to solve this using a prime factor method. So 108. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now I'll do for the 192. 2 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 24 2s are 48, 12 2s are 24, 6 2s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 1. So my prime factors are, here I'll rewrite the prime factors. 1, 2, 2 into 2 and 3 times 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is I have written for 108. Now I'll rewrite for the 192. So here it comes out to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and then 3. Now as I mentioned before, when there is no power mentioned, the power is 1. So now 2 into, now where the base is same, we'll put in a exponential form. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my next step 2 raised to 8. Now in case of 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So into 3 raised to 4. That's it. So now we'll move on to the second one. So have you understood this properly? We do the binary prime factor method for the 108 and then we do it for 192. And then we are combining the base where the bases are same. So 2 and 3 are my base which are same and I put it in an exponential form. So now move on to the second one. Second number is 270. 270. So again apply the binary method. Two 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Then again 2 6s are 12. So it can't be divided by 2. So we move on to the 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. So now we'll continue with the 3. 15 3s are 45. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. So my prime factors are 2 into 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3 and then last 5. So the 2 is appear only once, so its power is 1, stays as it is. In case of 3, 1, 2, 3. So into 3 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 1. So my ultimate answer is 2 raised to 1, 3 raised to 3, 5 raised to 1. raised to 1. Even if you don't write, that's okay. Now let's move on to the third one. 729 into 64. Third one. 729 into 64. So now let's find factors for 729. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Then again 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Then 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Then again 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Now let's move on to 64. 32 2s are 64, 16 2s are 32, 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So my here prime factors are 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 6 times 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 1 2 3 4 5, and then into 3, and then 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So in exponential form I write 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 raised to 6 into similar manner 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 raised to 6. So this is my exponential form. Keep in mind, you should not be missing any of the steps. So so you won't be commit any silly mistakes. Why I am writing this 1 2 3 is not to miss any appearance of that number. So I am counting 3 1 square cube raised to 4 raised to 5 raised to 6. But it's to not to miss any of the appearance of 3, we need to write to reconfirm it. So now let's move on to the fourth one, 768. Here again 768. Let's find prime factors. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. 24 2s are 48. 12 2s are 24. 6 2s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 into 3. So in exponential form I will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So 2 raised to 8 into 3. That's it.